Portable projectors have evolved far beyond simple, low-quality devices, and the LG CineBeam PF510Q shows exactly how much technology can fit into a compact design. It's a full HD 1080p LED projector that balances portability, smart functionality, and impressive performance, making it an attractive option for home entertainment, gaming, or presentations. The first thing you notice is the design. It's sleek, lightweight, and minimal, which makes it easy to move from room to room or even take outdoors. The matte finish gives it a premium look and avoids the plastic-y feel you might expect from a portable projector. Despite being compact, it feels durable, which is great if you plan to carry it around for outdoor movie nights or business meetings. When it comes to visuals, the full HD 1080p resolution delivers sharp and vibrant images. Movies look crisp, text is readable, and colors are well balanced for a small projector. LED technology contributes to long-lasting brightness and color consistency, which means the projector won't dim over time like traditional lamp-based models. While it's not 4K, the image quality is excellent for most home setups and perfectly suitable for casual gaming, streaming, or work presentations. Smart features are where this projector really shines. With AirPlay 2, it's easy to stream from Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, or Macs, while screen sharing lets Android users or laptops mirror content effortlessly. No extra cables are required, making it convenient for spontaneous use whether you're at home or on the go. Audio performance is also impressive for a portable device. The Bluetooth audio dual out allows connection of two speakers simultaneously, creating a stereo experience for movies or music. You can also connect a single Bluetooth speaker or headphones for private listening. While the built-in speaker is sufficient for casual viewing, pairing external speakers elevates the experience significantly, especially for cinematic movie nights. Setup is painless thanks to auto keystone correction, which automatically adjusts the image to a perfect rectangle, even if the projector isn't perfectly aligned with the wall or screen. Manual focus is smooth and precise, which makes fine-tuning the image quick and easy. This simplicity is important because portable projectors often complicate the setup process, but this one avoids those frustrations. Connectivity is flexible. HDMI allows for gaming consoles or streaming sticks, USB supports media playback, and wireless options handle mirroring and smart features. The user interface is intuitive, so accessing apps or adjusting settings doesn't require a steep learning curve. In real-world usage, the LG CineBeam PF510Q performs admirably. Watching movies in a darkened room produces vibrant colors and good contrast, while casual gaming shows minimal input lag. For presentations or streaming, the wireless options make projecting content fast and easy. Battery life is sufficient for short outdoor sessions, but for extended movie marathons, keeping it plugged in is recommended, typical for portable projectors. Overall, the LG CineBeam PF510Q is a strong choice for anyone seeking a portable, versatile, and feature-rich projector. It combines convenience with quality visuals and audio, making it suitable for home theater setups, outdoor entertainment, gaming, or professional presentations. Compact enough to carry around, smart enough to connect with multiple devices, and powerful enough to deliver clear, vibrant images, it's an excellent option for anyone looking to elevate their viewing experience. Check the link in the description to get your hands on one today and take your movie nights, gaming, or presentations to the next level.